Hi, good morning. How are you? Kumusta? Well, I'm in another day of duty now, and it's a weekend. Uh, it's a Saturday. I am still sick. Not really that much sick. Little sick. My mother is very sick. This morning, she vomited blood, quite massively. So I think it's because she already had H. pylori infection before in her uh, gastrointestinal tract. And I think it's because a lot of um, medications were given to her via nasogastric tube. Uh, yeah, like that. And lot of new medications, which are very strong. And so I think her stomach mucosa cannot tolerate such. Okay. So me, I decided to be a little bit composed this morning, and I last night I was thinking about like how about I adorn myself, but um, upon waking up, that call awakened me. It's important. Uh, she vomited blood. She had hematomesis, and so that. It's kind of an emergency situation. And so all I can do is just, you know, um, clean myself, sterilize myself, and wear clean clothes, and wear a sunblock, lotion on my face before going to work today. So that's the challenge. Anyway, at least I am clean and, yeah, sterilized. And am kind of come. I think God gave me this. Um, what do I mean? He caused this to happen. He caused my demeanor to become like this because I'm always panicky when it comes to my mother. Of course, who would not? Everyone. When we talk about our mothers, we always become anxious when they're not feeling well, when they're not on a happy situation. We always worry. We always want the best thing to happen to our mothers. And so, because of that fact, now I am experiencing such concern, and I know you understand it. Anyways, the bleeding has stopped. Medications administered by the doctors there. Well, maybe I think it's my if my mom is was at home, maybe she could already have been, hypertensive. She could have been arrested. Maybe, yeah. Yeah. It's a good thing she's inside the hospital, but the thing there is, my mom, her organs are, quite really uh, I think it should age, of course. When one ages, and when one has a lot of ailments and all the other organs are also being affected, and the consequences, complications, they come naturally, they follow. So, I don't know. I just hope all the best for my mom, and that I'm thinking that if uh, because she's a fighter, so if God really wants her to thrive, well, she would. Yeah. My mom is more of a fighter, more a fighter than me actually. But I guess I took after my mom too, because even though my situation here is difficult, I still manage. And I told you it's not only because of my own doing and my own strength that I survive here, but I'm a God fearing person. I always call on God to be with me. I always call on God to help me. So, it's, anyways, weekends we usually are not busy here in our workplace. We don't really have lots of patients. Um, so I'm thankful that I can communicate home because we're not much occupied and that God already intervened. Uh, he's making her stable at this hour. But I think this kind of medical phenomenon is a sign for us doctors that we are not um, giving the correct the no, the medicine should be given, but we have to check. It has to be balanced. The stomach mucosa is very thin, and it's quite challenging for an old person to receive a lot of to assimilate a lot of food or medications for that matter. And so everything has to be directed, has to be controlled, it has to be minimized, yeah, like that, so as not to aggravate the already existing condition, which um, affects the patient. Anyways, I don't know. I mean, at this time, I'm quite state of in a state of shock, and I this morning I just prayed to God, and then I said, direct everything, and that yeah, like this, yeah. And so I think if He directs everything, He is going to direct me also. How am I gonna react to the situation? How my family is going to react to the situation, and how we're gonna, all people that are within our disposal are gonna react to us and help us. And I am comforted by such thing, by such fact that the Almighty is there, and He can take care of everything for me. I just hope I stay as focused as I am, I stay as calm as I am. Uh, this is not the end, and if it is the end, I just hope I could be what is this? I could be discerning and understanding of the situation, because this is how life goes, and there is a reason for everything, and uh, it is always for a common good, like that. Well, I just hope um, everyone is gonna offer prayers for my mom and for my family. Thank you.